Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search within your notes on the OneNote application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the search icon down below, which is the second option. Then tap on the search bar and you can select from these two options notebooks, meaning that you can search among your notebooks, or you can also search within your sticky notes by clicking on the second icon. So just simply type in the title of your note. And as you can see, here is the one and only result according to your keyword that you have just typed in. So here you can open your note and you are free to edit it by tapping on the text itself, and you are free to add or delete any information. So that's the way how you can search within your notes very easily and quickly. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.